have a fucking race car.
Bro, no, that's beautiful. It's currently a cars and coffee morning. I'm going to pick up my friend right now. This is the second day with a downpipe, and oh my god, every time you drive, like let's wait till I slow down, you can just hear the turbo whistle through the exhaust now, like very clearly. It's like around 2.5 and 3.5 that like when you reach like a certain spot, it vibrates the car so much, but the tone is also really cool. It's nearly a straight pipe, but I will be getting a back box with valves because there's no way I could be driving like this all the time, especially if I get stopped. There might be a little bit more trouble. But yeah, I mean, I guess we're gonna see his reaction in a minute and we're gonna see. Oh my god. No, this will be the real fucking test.
Bro, you have a fucking race car.
Bro, no, that's beautiful.
Bro, even before you even got into the
bro,
fucking,
yeah, before the tunnel. The thing is, I was gonna like stop the pops like at the tunnel, but like I just went next to you and it sounds like going straight through.
Oh my god, that sounds insane.
But the thing is, the sound of it, bro, even when they're in reverse. I wish my pops worked.
Activate them, bro, come on.
Every time you're here, it works. 3.5.
Yeah.
It just won't budge. Do your lunch. Not me.
Why not?
Do your lunch. Bro, mine doesn't sound that good.
Oh my god, it's fucking air intake, bro. It's crazy.
Bro, there's too much people. Like, it's literally...
They're all just watching, bro.
Let's make a video. What?
They're just watching.
Make a video.
Give them some...
I can use ChatGPT.
Bro, I promise you I don't give a I'm fully electric. Oh, but wait, I'm gonna check engine light. What? I'm gonna check engine light. So we did get a little nearly scare. There's a check engine light, but it's only my engine oil and brake fluid. So thankfully, yeah, it's not anything serious. I have to just reset them. Now that gave me a scare, I can't lie. The check engine light maybe?
I don't know.
That's weird, like sometimes as you hear. Oh, because we're going too fast. It turns off up to like 120. I completely forgot.
Oh.
Okay, because I have a cap, I forgot. Okay.
Oh my god.
I know.
Oh, my phone.
Alright, we ready for this? Hold on.
Oh my god, bro, did you see the gear changes though?
What's up, vlog?
Vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Oh shit.
You missed me because I missed you.
Oh shit. What's up?
Yo.
Bro, why does it sound so good?
Bro, it's amazing.
Like, I'm not even joking, like, usually when you see like 2 liters with like exhaust, like, they're not that, like, they're not it.
Holy bro. This is insane.
Bro, that sounds insane.
Like vibrant.
Open the door! Bro. Oh my god, bro.
Bro, holy shit.
I'm not
There's
joking.
something about the raspiness. How is it under the tunnel?
Bro, holy sh.
It's crazy.
Holy sh.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my god, bro.
One day later.
So while I'm here at the garage today, we can see from yesterday, I thought the engine light was because of the oil change, but it actually wasn't. It actually stayed on after I canceled the oil and the brake fluid. We can see right here, Mr. Engine light still here. But obviously it's probably just because of the downpipe, and obviously, you know, there's no cut anymore. So let's just get a little diagnostic tool and let's see exactly what the fault is. BMW automatic selection. So let's see, diagnosis, auto scan. So we can see we have a few for DME. I'm pretty sure this is where the fault code should be. So let's see here, we have exhaust flap. And then we can see here we have a permanent one, catalytic converter efficiency too low. So I'm pretty sure that means that this is most likely the engine light, and we will have to get it coated out once I get MG Flasher back, which I'll talk more on that very, very soon. I'm not sure exactly what these are. I'll take a few pictures and hopefully they're not anything too serious. So we can quickly erase everything and see what stays and what comes back. Sometimes fault codes come back anyway, but just nice to see what ones like will not be, just cannot be cancelled from the system like at all. So apparently everything went away except BDC. Apparently the cat is not there. You probably have to like drive it to like activate from the sensors or whatever. But let's quickly maybe turn it off, turn it back on. So right now you can see the engine light is now gone. So I guess I'll show you guys after I drive a little bit how quick it comes back, but it probably is just because the catalytic converter, the sensors have to like work while driving, whatever. Yes, as I said, sorry if I sound fucking sick, my nose is absolutely gone, but the engine light did come back after like a few hours of driving, so I guess the engine light is staying for now.
Oh my god!
Actually, like,
Can you do that?
oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
Bro, God. Holy well,
Yeah. It's fucking windy though. When did you get it done?
maybe a week and a half. MG Flasher.
And did you not have to get someone code or something? It's not hard.
No, not really. I just had to read my own ECU, send them the file, and they unlocked it, and they added like their MG Flasher software.
That's 30 times better with them pops.
Bro, no, nah. When I hit 5k RPM, it's crazy.
Give it a rev there. I can barely hear it.
But the problem is, the pops don't work stationary. I don't know why.
They're not. Bro, what's going on?
I don't know. Like they work, they don't work. They're nice though, no? Wait, so maybe with the door open they work.
How the fuck that?
I don't know. like bro, like when the door was here, he was doing it when the door was open.
Well, that's weird as fuck.
And then sometimes it worked. I don't know, it's so strange. Nah, bro, I can't wait for like the NYPD and the lights to come off, because then the car is gonna look like menacing again. Now it's like, you know, lights, fucking stickers.
All. When are you gonna take them off?
Like January, maybe like mid-January. Lights right after Christmas, NYPD like January around, I don't know. Wait, that's crazy. Those pups never f***ing worked stationary and randomly it isn't working. But the thing is, this is only 30% verbals.
Oh.
Yeah, that's 30%. Nah, I missed the 440, bro. Holy
Yeah, I haven't seen you in 2 months or something.
I just don't see you around. I mean, I guess I'm not much around.
Will you keep it for a while, yeah?
Which? The car?
Yeah.
I mean, now I'm kind of having fun with it now, you know what I mean? But I don't know my like fuel economy. Oh my god, it's like 350 and it's gone. Maybe even less if I'm like, you know, driving it around. I really want to get a back box with valves, you know? Because I want to be able to turn it off and on. Because sometimes they're just obnoxious, bro. My cold starts, oh my god.
It's allowed inside the car though. Bro,
like,
he was
not,
ripping it, bro. Oh my god.
to be fair, with the windows down, like it's nice.
Yeah.
Because once you hit like a certain stage, it like rumbles really nicely. And oh my fucking god,
Bro,
I don't
know if you have it on your phone or not. When we went through
the tunnel.
The tunnel.
I'll get it soon. I want to.
Oh my god.
Have you heard like my starter roar as well?
Oh yeah, listen to this shit. Are we going to the bank or what, bro?
Huh? I do not look at my 1, 2. What are we saying though? Clickbait. Clickbait thumbnail. Oh my god! What happened? Look. Actually, we're gonna look blocked in. Cause like, bro, I'm like, there's a van coming up. I'm like, there's no he's blocking us in.
Nah, bro, it was just ambulance. Guys, it was just the ambulance. Okay, don't worry about it.
No one screamed. No one.
Nobody got scared.
Alright, from 90 kilometers, I have 58 now. I wasn't expecting that.
Where's the lights, car?
Huh?
Where's the lights?
I don't want the attention.
No?
No. It's quick though. It's very light though compared to mine. Mine is like 2 ton. Go for it, nice, no? It's like, what did he say, like 450 or something? Horsepower?
Bro, we're just an electric car.
I actually love being in like a fully electric car. Like no problems, no sound, no emissions. Helping the environment. She's a fucking
girl,
lady
bro.
on me, bro.
She wants you, bro.
What? It's actually time to actually meet up with some friends and we're gonna get their reactions on this car.
This way. You're right on the curb.
Oh, we're going.
Yeah. It's real. Oh my god! Oh my god!
From a little cola, bro. Fuck.
Holy shit.
Bro, he just keeps going.